Hello everybody, Jackson here with the Well Squad. Today we're looking at crypto because we are out of the mud. As you can see, Bitcoin is back in the buy zone after hitting that $25,000 price and getting rejected. The crypto whales decided, no, we will not keep Bitcoin this cheap, and so they pumped it back up. Bitcoin is at the lowest since we've seen since July of 2021 and January. So these three times is important because we're going to look at some other crypto charts here and we're going to compare. But as you could witness, Bitcoin hits 40K, then fell to 30, and then hits 64, fell to 30 again, then hit 67, and then stumbled around, and now we're back at 30. So what happened next? Who knows? What we do know is I'm sorry, not crypto, but Bitcoin in general is in that buy zone right now. Below, kind of scary, it could keep falling. Above, we're back at it. So let's look at Ethereum. Similar situation Ethereum is in, where we haven't seen prices this cheap since July of 2021 and then January, or before then, or actually after that, just a little bit. So the dates aren't exactly right, but July of 2021 was the definite bottom for the crypto market before this latest takeoff. What we are seeing that's similar is Bitcoin hit a nice peak at 4,000, fell, and then hit a nice peak of 4,800 and fell. So each time the peaks were hit, the second time was more, and now we're back in that range still. So that's important to note because what we will see is Solana, once the third largest crypto, is nowhere near in a range, unless you call the range from 20 to 260, which is too big of a range to even comprehend almost. What we are seeing is prices not as as low since May of 2021, just around June, July, just like it was 25, 26 when Solana hit the bottom last year. Right now we're at the 50. So not that low, but we are seeing prices not as low since May. But it's different because you can see we're not in that range. There was a consistent range that we were in, but this range is either up 600% or down 80%, and that's not a consistent range that you could depend on. So Solana is different. Ethereum and Bitcoin is like gold and silver in this scenario where they are more stable, and we're going to look at other examples to show just that. Avalanche, for example, has not been this low since August, and then May, and then February. But what we are seeing is a peak of 150. Right now we're at 30. So we are a good chunk off the dip, around 80%. And there's no range here as well. You can see there was a range at one point from 100 to 60, but now that's gone. And that's not the highest and lowest, just like Bitcoin and Ethereum are in. Some other coins that will make you kind of depressed: SushiSwap, no range found, just an ever dropping L. Link, no range found. At one point there was a very good range from 13 to 18, which I made some money on, but now we are lost. Hasn't seen these prices since 2020, not even 2021. So it's very disheartening to see these. And of course, can't forget that Luna. That's on TradingView. Let's look on. Yeah, that's more like it. But that's kind of what's taking this dip anyways. So let's go back to Bitcoin. We're going to see exactly what a good portfolio looks like in the crypto world. So Bitcoin and Ethereum are like gold and silver. I do that because you can see some points Ethereum, it lacks, right? You can see Bitcoin is more stable compared to Ethereum. More stable as in less swings, and a more consistent price. However, going back, let's say, that was a year, let's go July of 2021, since that market bottom. Actually, no, let's go back January 2021. So this is a year and a half or so. Ethereum is up 180%. Bitcoin, on the other hand, up 2%. So Bitcoin is like a value stock. Ethereum's like a growth stock, is what it seems at this point. That's something important to note, because when Ethereum has these wilder swings, it makes sense because it's growing more. We go back even further from just a year and a half. We go back a full 2 years. And you can see it gets even larger, 200% compared to almost 1,000. At one point, an incomprehensible amount, 2,200%. So this is very important because you have to have Bitcoin and Ethereum in your portfolio. That's what I'm telling you today. A conservative amount would be 50-50, or maybe some more Bitcoin than Ethereum. But the more aggressive you get, let's say moderate, you're doing 30% Ethereum, 20% Bitcoin, the rest altcoins. Besides that, then you're doing 20% Ethereum, 10% Bitcoin, the rest altcoins. The more altcoins, the more risk, but risk is not bad. That's what you have to get out of your head. We could check. This is Solana compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum. At one point up 13,000% compared to Ethereum's measly 960 and Bitcoin's 350 in the same time frame, November of 2020 compared to now. This is important because, sure, Solana is more risky. It has fallen more as a result of being more risky, but the returns are there. The returns make sense. That's why some portion of your crypto portfolio should be in more risky altcoins, because you have a chance to make money in something like this. So sure, crypto is out of the mud, or so we think for now. This price range is a good measure of when to potentially buy, when to hold. You don't want to sell at this price. You want to hold up, but you definitely want to buy at the bottom range. So let me know what you think of the crypto world right now at this moment. I don't think it's the worst purchase in the world. Depends how the stock market keeps on going. And we actually need to check out this month. So, oh yeah, no, that's not that month. Week. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weekly red candles, and apparently that's significant because it hasn't been done since, it looks like, forever. Like, sure, these are large candles, but there's only 2 of them. The rest are green. 3, 2, 8 is the largest we've seen since at least 2017. So that's something significant. Will the month end on a red or green candle? Who knows? Right now we are still down from 3,100 down to 30,000. I'm sorry, 31,000 down to 30,000. So we are down about $1,000. If we could get that back plus some, then we can see green candle for the first time in 7 weeks or 8 weeks. So something to note, something to watch out for. I hope this video helps in some way. Thank you for watching, and until next time.